So, how do you feel that we are leaving? My love.
Going to the next adventure.
Yes. Our new home is waiting for us. Even though we don't have it.
It's gonna be a tough
Relocation is proceeding.
moment.
They are not joking around. They are moving at speed of light. Living room almost done. Okay. Look at the brilliant mind of my wife. She got an Amazon delivery on the same day we are relocating and moving out everything. So probably she thought we didn't have enough stuff to bring with us. Piece of sky, disposable cotton towels, napkins, pan separator, and our favorite body wash. Only my wife. So guys, living room almost empty. Second living room empty, with just the TV there, some paint, and this is just the material I use. Outside there is beautiful weather. Buy our stuff. First day of relocation went pretty good, I would say. Now they're just emptying the doors upstairs, the floors upstairs. And our second room where we kept the clothes. Always said living a place where you lived for 3 years. And you felt good, but time to change. Guys, it's the first night of the relocation, but my wife, even though she's pregnant, she's still there, packing everything. All bathroom products.
With back pain.
With back pain. You are a force of nature. I love.
sometimes to say the truth, right?
This is the African power. Anyway, we are using, I mean, the company name that is doing the relocation is Bolliger, but I think that they use Smart Move in London. They are brilliant guys. They speak 5 languages, each other. Spanish, Portuguese, English, Italian, and Romanian. But I don't know how to say. Romanian. Anyway, nearly there. Nearly there. Let's see tomorrow morning what we will have to do. 10:50 p.m. Still packing and arranging everything for the second day of the relocation. We are packing because theoretically they should pack for us. But they say that they will not bring any liquid, open liquid, especially oil and stuff like that. So we will do it by ourselves with some special packaging. See? Wrap it in paper and then in a bag. So nobody will know that we are bringing some open liquid stuff. So today is day 2 of the relocation. Main things are taken away, have been taken away. Now we're just trying to empty the kitchen, but even during a relocation, we eat like a restaurant. Thanks to the wife. See, some meat and a good salad. This is the T-bone left. So we treat ourselves in a good way also during the relocation. And this is how we are eating. Probably in a few minutes I will have to stay on my feet to eat, but let's give the food to the baby. Nearly there, nearly there. Almost done everything. Hi guys, today is day 3 of relocation. As you can see maybe from our faces, pretty much devastated. So now the house is completely empty, but we are enjoying the last meal in this house, in these 2 chairs here.
Yeah.
Let's see
No dining.
what we are eating.
Some noodles and eggs.
Eggs,
Fried eggs.
smoked pancetta,
Yeah.
tomatoes and onions.
The last always happy meal, like the restaurant, you know.
Yes. The last meal in this house. Feels strange. It accompanied us
Where everything started.
where everything started. This is exactly the same place
Baby.
where we shoot our first video.
Yeah. Inside.
If you haven't seen it, go and check it. I hope that, or we hope that we improved from the first video.
But improving now.
But yeah, still improving. Always room for improvement.
Yeah.
Relocation went pretty good. The company Smart Move from London was effectively pretty good. They are part of Bolliger, that are an international relocation company, but they work for Bolliger here in UK. There was Skyler that was trying to approach my plate.
Show them
You know,
where we are.
you know. Huh? If you know, you know. When there are good food, when there is good food. So this is our emergency situation. 2 IKEA chairs. The food for Skylar. Some luggages still need to be packed, but the house is completely empty. Some other food to bring with us. Now we are just chilling out because we are really tired. So in a couple of hours we will stay in a hotel for the night, and then tomorrow we leave for good.